Thank you for joining us, Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Today we're going to start with the Australian Stock Market Open Report. ASX 200 opens lower. Who are the top laggards? Australia's benchmark equity index ASX 200 on Wednesday opened lower, down 14.90 points to 0.22%. to 6,824.30 after the US stock markets closed flat, led by the weakness in blue chips, including technology stocks. The US stocks were sluggish even after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said that the central bank would keep the current rates untouched to help jumpstart the economy. On Tuesday, the S&P 500 gained 0.13% to 3,881.37. The Dow Jones Industrial Average bounced back 0.05% to 31,537.35. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index shed 0.50% to 13,465.20, and the small-cap Russell 2000 ticked down 0.88% to 2,231.31. Who gained and who lost? AUB Group Holdings up 10.06% and Corporate Travel Management Ltd up 9.82%, were among the top gainers in the opening trade on the ASX 200. The laggards were Perenti Global Limited and Austal Limited, down 12.60% and 10.93% respectively. How ASX 200 performed in the last 5 days. The index has lost 0.90% for the last 5 days, but sits 4.42% below its 52-week high. On Tuesday, the ASX 200 closed at 6,839.20, up 58.30 points, or 0.86%. The broader All Ordinaries Index was up 0.697%, while the ASX 200 VIX Index was down 0.151%. While consumer discretionary was down 2.043%, energy was up 4.855%. In the Australian dollar, bonds and oil and Bitcoin, the Australian dollar versus the US greenback is trading down 0.02% to 0.7913. WTI crude oil hit another new 52-week high of US $62.97 a barrel. WTI crude oil futures is currently trading down 0.81% to US $61.20 a barrel. The Australian government's 10-year bond yield stood at 1.608, up 2.23%. Bitcoin has witnessed panic selling after Janet Yellen called it a highly speculative asset. Bitcoin was trading down nearly 10.09% to US $48,653.95. Thanks for watching Sage reporting for Kalkine Media.